currently walking around the farm and village. We are here in Germany for 2 weeks for some sad reasons, but we are going to Austria for a bit next week. Right now we're just walking along the side of the street, and then there's like a wheat field, whatever. My mom's talking about going to the market right now. I think it's been now like 10 minutes that we've been trying to find, or that we've been walking. We're trying to find the market. I don't know if we know where we're going. I will update you if we find this place. I think I'm gonna make some eggs and probably air fry some bread and put some cream cheese on it. Also, apologies for my bangs. I have a curling iron, but like my adapter won't fit right, so we're just working with it. So just gonna pop some bread into the air fryer real quick. But everything's in Celsius, so I just kind of, I do the same thing with my regular air fryer where I just put it all the way up to the highest temperature, and then I just like leave it in for whatever amount of time. So for bread, I usually leave it in for like 5 minutes. So that's gonna go. Thankfully, like most of the eggs here are organic, which is really cool because then, I don't know, the yolk just tastes better. It just hits different here, you know? Oops. Another thing I've learned in Germany, my aunt doesn't put the eggs in the fridge, which I thought that you were supposed to because back home we do that. So I wonder why that is. I don't know. I'm sweating. I think I'm just nervous to be talking on a vlog again because it's been so long, but I promised myself that I would get back into it this year because I need a creative outlet of some sort, and I feel like, I don't know, I just think vlogs are fun. I also just want to document my life because I would like to think my life can be pretty interesting. I travel a lot more than my friends do. Now the problem is I don't speak Deutsch, so I don't really know some of the words of these things. Even if I found the spices, I don't really know if that's the right spice that I need. You know what, I'm gonna be right back. I need to get a claw clip because it's hot in here.
Let me see. Shiva, what are you gonna do without me? What are you gonna do?
I don't know. What are you gonna do without me?
Oh, I can do a lot.
Boom. Roasted.
Put some milk in to make the eggs fluffy. Moment of truth. I have my lunch here. Just put cream cheese, and I couldn't find anything. Something just flew off my plate. Couldn't find anything to put on the eggs. There was no ketchup. I was gonna put sriracha, but the sriracha wasn't working. So I found this like chili sauce garlic thing. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Bon appetit. The chili sauce garlic's actually spicier than I thought it was gonna be, but not bad. That crunch. So good. I'm telling you guys, bread in Europe, top notch.
It's from Princess Hall. You wear it with my chunky sneakers. I want to own this in every single color. So I love this outfit so much. So that's kind of everything for now.
Tell you what you mean to me, but I'm afraid our story would end. Weighing all your dreams against reality, where you're falling in love with a friend. If I just came out and told you you're my end.
What are they? I think they're pelicans, Dad. I'm zooming in.
We go down in history, or maybe we just go down in flames.
It's been a minute since I've actually sat down and talked to y'all. Also, my hair be crazy. I just got my hair cut right before this trip. My hairstylist gave me layers and curtain bangs. I'm still trying to figure out how this works. So if you guys have any tutorials, let your girl know. The last few days have been really chill. I am just watching YouTube videos. Typically, this would be like a work play trip where I would have client work to work on, but my client actually is in the middle of a move this week, so she's actually out of office all week, so it's actually been really chill for me, which works out perfectly with the timing of this trip. I don't know what it is, but the jet lag I have this trip is like the worst I've ever experienced. I think every single day we've slept probably like 4 hours. Had like 2 cups of coffee every single day, and it's still like not keeping me awake, and I just need to prepare and pack because we're actually leaving for Austria on Monday.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay.
We made it to Austria. It took a 10-hour bus ride. We just had lunch, and now we're at this palace, although I don't know what it's called.
I'm vlogging.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
We're here in Vienna.
Masaya ka ba, ma? Yes, anak, I'm masaya. Thank you, Tito.
Of course.
Thank you, Tito.
Hello, salamat nakarating kayo dito.
This view. Ah. So pretty. It's raining. It's a lot colder than I was expecting it to be. Dad says that this palace used to be the palace
This is just like the summer
History lesson
place,
here.
like they used to just.
like a vacation home.
That's the palace, and then if you wanna have fresh air, this is where they go to on top.
This is their patio,
Yeah.
and then the palace is actually like down there. Must be nice to be rich.
Round and round forever searching.
Okay.
This is the official palace. People are watching me vlog. I'm not used to this. I don't even know if you can hear me over this, but this fountain is pretty epic. I mean, just for scale. So pretty! I'm just inspired by like all the architecture too. Like even just like how they cut the walkways where the gardens are is really pretty.
Don't need you to say.
My dad's hat because it is so cold and it's raining. My hair is kind of a mess. I curled it last night, but like the wind be throwing it around. Also, apologies. I did not put on makeup. We just had like a 10-hour bus ride, so I'm just kind of going with the flow. I thought we were going to try to check into our Airbnb, but we can't do a check until 5, so we're just kind of killing time. This is probably a very chaotic vlog, but oh well. It's pretty on brand for me.
But I just really need to be safe.
Eddie! Wait, Nutella? Jeez, that's big.
One apple.
Wait, Nutella?
And one Nutella.
And one Nutella.
One and one.
Feel good, be good.
I played with the coffee machine earlier. I guess in Europe, most of them only drink espresso shots.
What?
Yeah, so sorry, Dad. That's why I had to make you a latte, because that thingy, like, it doesn't make a latte, it makes an espresso shot. Or it doesn't make like a full cup of coffee. So I'm gonna heat up some milk and attempt to make homemade latte. I know ideally you're supposed to steam the milk at a certain temperature, but that's too fancy for me.
Tita Ian said, Angel is always the first place, first owner. See, he's done and they're still eating. But after that, Mochi is going around all the plates and clean them up. See? Uh-huh.
I don't understand how he has the biggest appetite now.
Uh-huh.
So Mochi is our oldest dog. My cousin texted me the other day that he wasn't eating, so this is a big improvement. But it's funny because I call him toothless now because he doesn't have any more teeth. And he happens to have like the biggest appetite now, which is just really funny to me. Okay, milk is done. Time to make some espresso. Which one's which? I want the Nutella.
The one on top is Nutella.
I thought, is it filled with Nutella or it's just drizzled in Nutella?
Just diesel.
Ah.
Actually, I think I like the one with the apple better.
Figured it was time to do a little Airbnb tour here. All right, so over here we have the front entrance. There is a little coat rack thing and like shoe thing. I don't know what it's called. A thing to store, I'm just gonna keep saying thing. This is where you store the umbrellas because it's actually kind of drizzling a little bit and raining. This is the mirror. This is me, hello. A little coat rack right here. This is actually a washing room, or sorry, the laundry room, and there's a washing machine and then a little ironing board and iron supplies. The door over here is actually the bathroom. My aunt is in there right now. Okay, then we move into the kitchen slash living area. This is actually a sofa bed. This is our little dining table. The kitchen is pretty fully stocked. There's an electric stove. We've got an oven down here, sink, microwave, coffee station, as you saw earlier, hot water boiler thing, toaster oven, dishes, and then dishwasher, and then fridge and freezer. And then there is actually a TV that I don't know how to work. A patio slash outdoor terrace. The door's kind of stuck, so we're trying to figure out what's happening. That I had to message the Airbnb host and see if we can fix it. There's a little nice window that I can actually open, but I think it's still drizzling, so I'm gonna wait. We're heading upstairs now. There's a little like clothing rack thing again. First bed, which is a queen size. And then the air conditioning unit, which is nice because not all European places I've been to have that. Bathroom with a full shower, and then other bedroom and another terrace and another clothing rack. Okay, well, this is pretty cool. The blinders are electronic in the master bedroom.
Oh, it's cool.
Ayos naman.
Amadeus, Amadeus. Amadeus, Amadeus, Amadeus.
Enough ko na eh. Anak, check daw.
Mamaya pa yan pag ano. Kasi mainit pa.
Kubeta na ito eh. Dahil walang paliguan.
Sana ganyan lang ang ulan ng lugar. Hindi ata.
Pero tinignan ko na. Tinignan ko na mamaya.
Don't do that. Wait somebody still eating. Hindi na makapagkasawa sa dito po. Di ba yung sabi nila, pag pagtapilan, pagka may dalaga. No, anak, we have this belief in the Philippines.
Superstitious.
Don't put them together. When somebody is still single, is eating, otherwise you cannot marry. Or he.
Huh?
Never mind.
But mom is married.
No, in any of the group, around the table.
You.
You cannot marry.
It's good.
No?
Because you stay with me.
No? No? I want a grandchild.
Fit check time. I've got on, I honestly don't know where this my mom bought this purse. It's Louis Vuitton. Dress is actually from Amazon. And then I'm wearing this little, what do you call it? Like scrunchy scarf thing that I got from a Catholic small business company that I really love. And then I haven't decided if I'm gonna wear my white Vans or my platform sandals because it's kind of raining outside. And my Vans are canvas, so it's gonna get soaked if I wear it. So you'll see what I end up deciding. Today we're gonna do sightseeing round 2. I honestly don't know what's on the agenda because he's just gonna tour us around. So I have no idea what ruins these are, but there's ruins. We're going to a violin? What?
Yep, I hired somebody to play violin for mommy's birthday. It's my treat for her.
It's quite chilly. Mid-August. It's quite chilly. My mom is making fun of me. It's mid-August and it's cold. Cold?
Vienna is beautiful.
Mommy, you're shaking the arm. What? It's Mozart in gold. Oh, that's not Mozart. That's Strauss.
This is Strauss.
Running away. There he goes. Oh, he's going into the street. Francis is up there for some reason.
Bet I'm everything to see.
I don't know what's happening.
Don't wanna come down, just don't wanna tell me. Get into my eyes. Need. I'm everything you need.
So we left our Airbnb from Vienna this morning and then we're in Salzburg now. Just trying to like knock out some stuff to do because we have like about, I don't know what time it is now. Our train isn't until 7 to leave back to Frankfurt. Here at Mirabel Gardens right now because I think this is where they shot part of Sound of Music. Like, I think this is where they sang part of Do Re Mi. I need to rewatch this movie, honestly. So that's why we're here. This is also actually like the first closest attraction to the train station we first got off. So that was nice. We dropped off our luggage there and so now we're just kind of sightseeing. I think we're also going to try to go to House of Mozart because apparently he's also from Austria. Me being a psych nerd, I also know Sigmund Freud is also from Austria, but I don't know if he's from like this area, but that's something I probably want to see next time. They're doing a tour for Sound of Music over there. It's very beautiful. A little hot, but really pretty. We should be going and walking more, but it's hot. So Dad's taking pictures for us, and then I'm just sitting here with Mom and Tita. But it's a really nice spot. It's almost as hot as like California.
No, it's humid.
I'm sweating.
I almost want to take this bandana off, but my hair is not. Are you using the camera as a mirror?
Yep.
Right there.